Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ruchika and today I am here at ITC Sonar, Kolkata. And I am going to give you the show round of my Queen Suite. So let's get inside. So when we enter the Queen Suite, we get to see this beautiful and amazing living room. And this has a wonderful sofa and a television in front which makes me relax and peaceful watching the shows of my choice. With this, I will take you to this couch which is there to spend some luxury time. And the hotel has already put some amenities, welcome amenities for me, like sweets, some nuts, and a welcome note for me, some fresh fruits, and my anniversary cake. And this is the dining area where I can order some food from the hotel and enjoy in my room as well. And now I have come to the mini bar area where I can have my own tea or coffee. Apart from this, there is a refrigerator which has many different types of soft drinks and hard drinks and some chocolates. Yeah, dark chocolates. They have also put some snacks here. I will show you. Yeah, like some biscuits and nuts and savories and crackers. But all of these are definitely paid. So if I use them, I have to pay separately. And with this, I'll take you to my workstation where I'm going to sit and do my office work. And there's another chair and the workstation area for my husband to use. So both of us can use this area at the same time. So with this, I'll take you to the powder room. This is the powder room, which is very well equipped and for the guest to use. Now the next is the storage area, which is quite big in size. We have dumped all our suitcases and everything here. Now I'll take you to my bedroom. Which is so amazing with a comfortable bed. Yes, and as you can see the balloons, I informed you before also, it's my anniversary today. So they have decorated the room with the balloons. And then these chairs where I can sit and talk and watch the television. With this, I'll take you to the balcony area, which is my favorite. This balcony area has an amazing view of the lagoons in the hotel. So from this side, you will be able to see the beautiful lagoons full of lotus, water lilies, and definitely ducks are there. So a little bit of lotus I can have here as well. And in the morning, I'm going to sit here and enjoy my morning tea. And if I wish to read my books, I would sit on this couch and enjoy reading with a cup of coffee. So with this, I'll take you to another exciting area. Which is the washroom area. And when you get inside the washroom area, you will be surprised to see the size of the washroom. Yes, it's a huge washroom, rarely found. And the most beautiful attraction is this bathtub, which the hotel has got ready for me so that I can enjoy the bath in this bathtub. And with this, you can see there are many towels here arranged, and it is fully packed with the amenities, which are excellent from the best brands. Here is the WC, and this is the bathing cabin, shower cabin. And from this washroom, my bedroom also is directly connected. So from here, I can get inside my washroom. My bedroom, yes. And now, the question is that how much is the tariff of this Queen Suite? The tariff of this Queen Suite is 1 lakh rupees per night. But I have not paid that because I am an elite member of Marriott, so I have got it as an upgrade. And I am paying something around 6,300 rupees for this. And how to get this upgrade? How to get it in such low price? That is what you want to see and learn from me. So if you keep following me, keep watching my videos and keep subscribing, definitely I am going to tell you how to achieve all these things and enjoy. So keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye.